standing at platform 4 is the 1249 Stepford Express service to Newry. Calling at Leighton, Stepford Road, Benton, Eden Quay and Newry. Due to a short platform, passengers for Eden Quay should travel in the front 4 coaches. This train is formed of 5 coaches. First class is located at the rear of the train. Your attention please. The 1304 Stepford Connect service to Leighton City.
Welcome on board this Stepford Express service to Newry. We will call at Leighton Stepford Road, Benton, Eden Quay and Newry. The next station will be Leighton Stepford Road. We will shortly be arriving at Leighton Stepford Road. Change here for trains to Stepford Airport Central. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform.
Calling at Benton, Eden Quay and Newry. Due to a short platform, passengers for Eden Quay should travel in the front 4 coaches. This train is formed of 5 coaches.
This is Leighton
First
Stepford
class
Road.
is located at the rear
This
of the
train is for Newry. The next station will be Benton. Welcome on board this Stepford Express service to Newry. The next station will be Benton.
does not stop here. Please stand back from the platform edge. not stop here. Stand back from the platform edge. Please stand back from the platform edge. Does not stop here. Please stand back from the platform edge.
We will shortly be arriving at Benton. Change here for trains to Connolly, Esterfield, Greenslade, St Helens Bridge, Stepford Central and Airport Terminal 2. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform.
For the 12:57 Stepford Express service to Newry, calling at Eden Quay and Newry. Due to a short platform, passengers for Eden Quay should travel in the front 4 coaches. This train is formed of 5 coaches.
Benton.
First class is located
for
at the rear of the
Newry.
train.
The next
Platform
station
4
will be
for the
Eden Quay.
12:56 Stepford Connect service to Stepford Airport Central, calling at Benton Bridge, Stepford Airport Parkway and Stepford Airport Central. This train is formed of 4 coaches.
Welcome on board this Stepford Express service to Newry. We will call at Eden Quay and Newry. The next station will be Eden Quay.
Platform 2 does not stop here. Stop here. Please stand by from the platform.
We will shortly be arriving at Eden Quay. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform. Due to a short platform, the doors in the rear coach will not
Calling
open
at
at this station.
Newry
Please
only.
move forward to
This
leave the
train is
train.
formed of 5 coaches. First class is located at the rear of the train.
This is Eden Quay. This train is for Newry. The next station will be Newry. Welcome on board this Stepford Express service to Newry. The next station will be Newry. We will shortly be arriving at Newry. Change here for trains to Newry Harbour. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform. This train terminates here. All change, please. This is Newry. This train terminates here. All change, please. Thank you for travelling with us today.
The train now approaching platform 1 terminates here.